bikers straight up fighting cops, to crazy death wobbles at 200 miles per hour, to bikers straight up hugging bikers.
What the
These are only 3 of the most insane clips we have in this video. This biker thought he could slip past a roadblock, but the cops went full action hero, diving on the bike, yanking the keys, and cuffing him on the spot.
Эй, это Джека! My boy, это Джека! Это для ютуба. Подойди, братанчик.
Classic wheelie gone wrong. The biker slid across the asphalt while his bike rolled off on its own. Luckily, he walked away with just a few cuts and bruises, but the bike wasn't as lucky. This biker was running late for work and going a little fast when a man suddenly crossed the road while looking the other way. The biker swerved, then stopped to check on him. Even though he was late, he made sure the man was okay before he rode off.
Bir şeyin var mı hocam? Bir şeyin var mı? Yok abi.
O da korktu bakalım.
İyiyim burada şu bacağıma bak.
Allah bir şey oldu mu?
Yok ben iyiyim de.
Bro liked the bike so damn much, he wanted to take a closer look.
What the Dude.
Okay, this one's hilarious. Pretty sure I've seen this scene in Harry Potter. A biker practicing stunts when suddenly his bike takes off on its own, leaving him sprinting after it. Legend has it, he's still chasing it to this day. This biker was riding with 2 friends when a truck made a sharp, wide U-turn and nearly rammed them, sending his friends scattered across the road. Here's the full clip. This biker got spooked by police sirens, toppled over right in front of the cop car, then hopped back on and took off into the sunset, while the officer chased him on foot. This biker's oil filter plug came loose and sprayed oil all over his chain and rear tire. He didn't notice until gravity reminded him the hard way.
Have possession of his camera that was riding his bike. It's pouring fuel on the exhaust. Okay, all right, thank you.
This female biker geared up for a good ride, but didn't expect a blue car to cut lanes and send her flying into a nasty crash. Glad she made it out without serious damage. This white car started smoking because it was dragging a whole bike underneath. Bikers flagged the driver down and no one was hurt, but the bike's owner was missing.
Eu vou até o final, é pra me virar aqui, eu vou até o final.
Vai ficar na esquerda.
A biker was braking in his brand new ride when a car stopped dead, half in his lane, half in the oncoming lane, trying to cut across traffic. He's fine, but his poor bike paid the price.
Oh my god!
This dirt biker was cruising a woods trail when he ran into the strangest sight, a guy who'd lost his car for 2 days, only to realize it was literally right there.
Nope. No?
If you do, can you like, I don't know, possibly turn around and try to find me? I'm going to be taking this trip.
Okay.
I appreciate it. I really do. Like, I've been looking for 2 days.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're almost out to the road if you follow this trail.
Really?
Yep.
In India, traffic laws seem optional. A biker was cruising when a rickshaw swerved into the road, leaving no time to brake. The biker slammed into him, sending him crashing to the side.
Oh shit, yaar.
This insane dude cuts off an electric Harley, then has the audacity to make fun of the bike.
He's an idiot. What's up, bro? Hey, why you come up on me so fast, bro?
You on that electrical bike, you on the side of the road. I'm a 48, room on
48?
48 soul brother, what's good?
What are you talking about, bro?
Talking about, what the is that?
It's an electric...
Bro,
It's not made in the bike lane, bro. It's an actual electric motorcycle.
you see the back of my stab right there, right? You see that shit, right?
That's cool, man.
Yeah, get one.
Then you should know not to ride on my ass, bro, because I don't want to get hit, all right? The other car was slowing down in front of me.
You're gonna get yourself on that.
Okay, all right.
Believe me, bro, I ride Harley all my life, bro. You gonna get yourself.
All right.
This biker thought 200 kilometers per hour on a pothole-ridden road was a great idea, until his bike went into a death wobble for a full 8 seconds. At that point, all he could do was let go, pray to the asphalt gods, and somehow walk away alive. One biker was riding in peace when another came in hot, slammed into the back of a car, and did a full stuntman audition, all in under 5 seconds. Poor guy was left dazed, barely functioning on adrenaline. A Jeep brake checked a biker, flipping him off. Then they had a full-blown screaming match. The Jeep driver tried the classic "I've got kids in the car" card, but the biker laughed, roasted him, and left him in the dust.
Pull over. Go. Pull over. Pull over. Pull over. You brake check.
I have kids in the car.
Yeah.
Like a f***ing
Why did you brake check me?
Because you're being a piece of.
You want to me?
Oh, you want to kill them?
How?
Close to my car?
I was going around you.
To speed up to let you
What the are you talking about?
have a chance to pass 2 seconds.
You brake check me.
You had a chance to pass me.
Brake check, mother.
I brake checked you because you could.
Oh, really? Get the out the car. You little. I don't give a.
Care.
I care about my life too.
Hey, then don't drive.
Oh, pull the kid card.
Chance to
You mother.
pass.
You. Look at that mother.
I'm scared.
On that mother.
I wouldn't.
Record this. Post it on the internet.
Honey, you would wait.
This thing's been recording your.
I'm glad. Hi.
Yeah, smile for the camera. Look at your crust.
With kids in the car.
You.
Oh, dude.
Do something about it.
Go ahead and have a nice day.
You watch yourself next time. Hey, you catch me at another time, I'll your up.
Go ahead, dude. Go ahead.
You better pray.
People like you.
Ah!
That's why you're screaming.
Come get some.
Goodbye.
Grow the up. Look at you shaking, bro.
Try to.
You're trembling.
I don't give a.
Get your little ass arms, bro. Shower next time. And eat my.
This Mercedes driver thought he was the main character and owned the whole road. When reality disagreed, he clipped a biker's side and sped off like a coward. This biker took a right turn only to find it covered in gravel, lost balance, and suddenly this Kawasaki isn't a bike anymore, it's a houseplant.
Beat that now!
The biker lost his balance with his girlfriend on the back and slid off the bike. But instead of worrying about the bike, he jumped up in a second and rushed to check on her, even leaving the keys in the ignition. Once he knew she was fine, he went back to lift the bike. Now this is a proper success story. A biker kept failing his wheelies over and over, but after enough tries, he finally nailed it like a pro. biker got door checked in traffic. He's fine, but his bike's now bleeding gas all over the road. This biker leaned a little too hard into the corner and ended up sliding on the road, coming to rest uncomfortably close to the curb.
I'm gonna drag my back. Ow.
Alright.
I think so.
I saw that.
This biker's rainy commute turned into a slip and slide when he lost it on a wet corner and touched grass the hard way. Another Mercedes driver acting like he owns the road. The biker just shook his head, and somehow that was enough to make the guy start tailing him like it's a duel. Biker riding on a rainy day. Guess what happened next?
Whoa.
Nothing says bad idea like going full speed on a wet road, and this crash proves it.
Yeah, mate, I'm alright. Yeah. What happened? Did you just see me or something? Did you see me?
I did see you.
It's because I've taken it wide, it's wet. It's because I've taken it wide, it's wet. I've got it all on it anyway, so.
What happens? Do you need anything for insurance or anything like that?
Cheers, dude. I think it's fine, to be honest. I mean, it's your car, right? Or I saw something fall off. Yeah. I mean, I suppose that bit'll... I mean, if it's not damaged, you might be able to get it back if it's on the side or something. I don't mind leaving it if you don't. I mean, yeah, I'm happy. I mean, there's no harm done, so it's not worth the upset, is it? So, yeah. I'm absolutely fine, yeah. So, yeah. You got it on there as well, so. No, I think I mean, so long as you're happy, I mean, it's, yeah. Yeah. Yeah. But, no, I mean, the bike's not damaged, so I've had a look, so. Yeah, no, don't worry about it, mate. Anyway, you get back in the car. These things happen. I've done it as well, so, you know. It's so slippy that I'd take it, usually I'd just go straight round it. Yeah. Yeah, no, don't worry about it, dude. Yeah. Take care, mate.
A biker crew was carving through a desert mountain road when one guy leaned a little too hard and face planted into the sand. This biker slammed the front brake a little too hard and went flying down the road like a human tumbleweed. Not sure who's more in the wrong here, the biker riding on the sidewalk or the patrol officer who tried yanking his keys out and then got a little too hands-on when the biker pulled over.
Abi kenara çekeyim abi. Plakam var. Abi plakam var. Niye kaçıyorsun? Plakam var. Abi alamazsın anahtarımı. Plakam var.
Kontağı çıkarıyorum sana.
Abi plakam var. Tamam da alacağım.
Çıkarmıyorum.
Tamam. Plakam var diyorum. Plaka.
Kontağı bırak.
Al abi ne yapacaksın?
Direkt kenara gel diyorum.
Tamam geç abi kenara.
Çıkar kontağı kenara gel.
Tamam da plakam var. Nereye kaçacaksın?
Olsun. Geçsin.
Allah Allah. Yazacağım zaten.
Al kontağını.
Ne yapıyorsun abi? Bak benim canım. Ne hareket yapıyorsun?
Elgo yapma ya.
Ne hareket yapıyorsun? Bu ne anahtarı yatıyorsun? Anahtarların hepsi kayıtlı. Bunların hepsini bileceğim polise.
This biker accidentally rear-ended another rider and took the worst of the hit, ending up in the hospital. His crew showed real loyalty, rushing to help and waiting outside to make sure he was okay.
27 car 2102, CTP westbound, milepost 3.8, Commercial Road for motorcycle down, female
Every crew's got that one wannabe stuntman. This guy leans too low on a right turn, lost balance, and slammed into a brick wall. Thankfully, his crew had his back through recovery.
ओ भाई भाई भाई भाई ये हटा ये उठा ओ भाई खत्म यार इतना कौन बोल रहा था यार लीन करने को यार इसे बोल भी रहा था यार कौन बोल रहा था इसे इतना चलाने को यार क्या यार
A biker stopped at a red light and, by pure luck, his buddy pulled up right next to him. Naturally, they celebrated this reunion the only way bikers know how, flipping each other off and smacking each other's bikes before riding off when the light turned green. A biker was just minding his own lane when a white car decided turn signals were optional, swerved right into him, and sent him crashing to the side of the road.